Boat shows greatly encourage the development, and the team here has done a fantastic job. The region is a growing region. It's an affluent region, the whole GCC. GDP is approaching $1 trillion. A market where consumption is growing, where wealth is growing, and we are developing the marine infrastructure. So there is tremendous potential in the years to come.
It's extremely impressive. I think the show itself, the selection of the boats are amazing. What of course makes it also special is this wonderful marina that they're hosting the show in. And I think this is great, and I hope that we'll see it on an annual basis.
حقيقة شيء جميل ومشرف إنه يكون في عندنا معرض للقوارب بهذا المستوى. كونه أول معرض يقام في البحرين، أتمنى بأن يكون في عناية واهتمام من قبل الجهات المختصة. أعتقد أنه فرصة مناسبة بأن نتيح للزائرين والمقيمين والبحرينيين وحتى أهل المنطقة بأنهم يعني طبعا يزورون هالنوع من المعارض ويكون مصدر جذب للسياحة في البحرين.
Well, we are very happy in Amwah Islands to be able to host such an event. We feel it is time that this part of the world starts promoting the boating. We feel Bahrain as an island, has a lot of ability to give to the different public to see the sea and the beauties that we have around it here. And Amwah is very unique as it has several islands, and you can get to one area to another using these boats, lovely boats.
الرحمن الرحيم. في البداية أحب نهنئ القائمين على جزيرة أمواج على افتتاح المارينا هنا في جزيرة أمواج وإقامته والمعرض عليه. لا شك أن هذا المعرض يعكس اهتمام القيادة الحكيمة بالسواحل وبتنميته، ولا شك أن هذا المشروع من خلال إقامة هذا المعرض سينعكس إيجابيا على الرياضة البحرية. وما شفناه اليوم من تواجد لكبرى الشركات العالمية اللي عرضت اليوم دليل كبير على نجاح هذا المعرض. أتمنى للجميع كل التوفيق والنجاح.
I must tell you that I'm very happy that we could bring an international boat show of this size here. There is a wide variety. For a first show, I am extremely pleased to see this kind of a boat show.
As Nautica wanted to make a new show, then we said, of course, we will come. We have been able to be present with 11 boats today, and I always partnered with Nautica.
Bahrain is actually one of the booming markets in the Middle East, so as the rest of the Gulf, I would say. And with all the development, with the seafront projects around the region, I think it gives us a benefit among the others who actually participated in the first show of Bahrain.
It's it's a good event for us to be at. I mean, this is a premium show as well with the Bahrain Boat Show, first time in Bahrain. Yeah, we're looking forward to it. It should be a good 5 days for us.
It's a pretty nice place to be out here, a lot of crowd. People should definitely come down here and check this place out.
This is a very good way of promoting Bahrain, especially having it with the Formula 1 weekend. The capitalization on this boat show, I believe it's going to be humongous in the future.
Well, I'm here to see the boat show, the first inaugural Bahrain boat show, and it's very impressive.
It's a great show, and I think it's a great thing to build from.
I think the Bahrain Boat Show has already given us a lot of exposure. It's one of the best boat shows we've been in. We've done the Abu Dhabi Boat Show, the Dubai Boat Show last month, and this one is definitely the top. As far as the venue, as far as the climate is concerned, the friendliness in the venue, it's great. We love it.
Bahrain is one of the most promising markets in the region, despite of the economic meltdown. We believe strongly in this. So we are using Bahrain as our base to go all around the Gulf.
I must say, success down here.
There's some bigger boats down the end that I'm really excited about. So it's so much to look at and so much to choose from. You should come on down.
Great. We like the turnout. It's been quality turnout. The ambiance is good, and we look forward to it.
By the end of the show, we're very proud to announce that we got about 10,000 people visiting the show from different countries: Kuwait, Bahrain, Saudi, Qatar, and UAE, as well from different other countries. The show coincides with the Formula 1. The turnout have proven to have the right and the quality people. Everybody has enjoyed the lifestyle, the entertainment combined under the umbrella of luxurious yachts. Indeed, it was a success for the first year, and see you in the next BBSI 2010 in a much bigger version. See you all. Thank you. Bye-bye.